Hello creative friends, welcome back. Today's video is about creating a colorful granny square inspired bracelet, a perfect blend of vintage charm and modern flair. Each segment of the bracelet is crafted with vibrant crystals, forming miniature granny squares that come together to make a fun, eye-catching accessory. And now let's have a look at the material needed. These are 4 crystals in different colors. I have taken a total of 17 pieces. So 10 pieces for the border and 2 sets of 3 and 1 for the center. You can take different color combinations. You can also use round beads for this, or you can even use bicone crystals. In this also I have taken 17 pieces, 10 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1. This is another combination. You can take different combinations as you like. Next we will require some seed beads, 11O. You can take any color. Here I have taken silver. And these are my snap clasp. Very easy to use, very effective. You can use any other clasp as you like. So gather your supplies, relax your minds, and get ready for this meditative beading journey. So here I have taken 4 crystals, 1 centerpiece, 1 from the set of 3 and 2 from the set of 3. Now tie a couple of knots. Now go through the center crystal. And here I have taken 3 more crystals, 1 from the set of 3 and 2 from the set of 3. So we have used all 6 crystals and I have placed them so that they are a distance from each other. Now go through this one crystal. Now it's time to create the border. 1 crystal, 3 seed bead and 1 crystal, and go through this 1 crystal. Go through the next crystal. Pick the same set, 1 crystal, 3 seed bead and 1 crystal, and go through this 1 crystal. Now go through the next crystal. Repeat the same set. And now to go into the next crystal, I have taken 1 seed bead and now I will go straight into the next crystal. And now pick 1 crystal and 3 seed bead. Go through this 1 border crystal and the next white crystal. Now going through the next crystal, pick 1 crystal, 3 seed bead, 1 crystal and go through. And now this is our last crystal. Go up through this one border crystal, pick 3 seed bead, 1 crystal, and go through this one crystal like this. So this is how it looks. Now we will fill the spaces with this 11O. Fill these empty spaces. So go through this crystal. Again pick one 11O. Go through the next crystal. This way we have to fill the spaces. Now the center space is already filled. So just go through. So now all 6 spaces are filled, and go through like this. Go up through this one border crystal, turn around and go through these 6 seed beads. 3 plus 3. Now pick 6 seed beads and go through the next 3 seed beads. And one corner is complete. I will be adding 6 seed beads on all rest of the 3 corners. This is the last set of 6. And now go through this entire line once again. And now go through these 3 seed bead plus 1 seed bead. Here I am going to add a loop on the middle 2 seed beads for the clasp. These are 6 seed beads. Go through the center 2 seed beads. Go through the loop once again. And once you have secured the loop, you can secure with some knots and then cut the tail. And before we proceed further, I want to make sure you are following along and everything's clear so far. If you are enjoying the video or if anything feels confusing, let me know in the comments. Your feedback really helps me make these videos better for you. And if you are with me up to this point, just drop a thumbs up in the comment section so I know you are keeping up. Ready? Let's keep going. So now after going through a few beads, and now it's time to cut the thread. And this thread also. Our first piece is ready with a loop on one side to attach the clasp. Now this is the second piece. I have gone through the outer line already, and now it is time to connect the two pieces. So here we have to take 8 seed beads, 3 plus 3 in the center and 1 on the extreme ends of the 3 seed beads. So this is 1 plus 3, and now I am going through 3 plus 1. So we need 8 seed beads to connect. This is the first piece. Over here also you have to find the 8 seed beads and go through 1 and 2. These are the first two. And now skip 2 seed beads over here and go through 3 and 4. We are going zigzag. Skip the 3 and 4 over here and go through 5 and 6. Skip 5 and 6 over here, go through 7 and 8. Like this. And now go through the 8 seed beads on this side, all 8 of them. Pull the thread tight so there is no gap in between. And now go through some seed beads on this side also, and then we will finally tie a couple of knots, go through some seed beads, and then trim the thread. I'll take the needle to the other side, the back of the bracelet, and then trim the thread. So we have two pieces connected to each other. In this way, you have to connect more pieces to complete the bracelet. Here I have connected 3 pieces. For a 7-inch bracelet, I have made 9 pieces. This does not include the clasp. This is the last piece. So just like we did for the first piece, go to the center 2 seed beads, make a loop to attach the clasp. So friends, I hope you have liked the video. If you have come to my channel for the first time, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell icon so that you get notified for all my new upcoming videos. And your comments are very special to me. They help me get better. And now I have a special request for all my lovely viewers. If you are enjoying my videos and want to go the extra mile, you can click the join button to support the channel. And no pressure at all. Your views and likes already mean a lot. So see you in my next video. Until next time, bye bye and take care.